Good morning from the team at Expert Trade Ideas. Today is Tuesday, June 17th, 2025, and this is your pre-market trading desk briefing. Let's start with the big picture. Markets are showing early signs of tension, with both ES and NQ futures pulling back slightly in pre-market trade. ES is sitting at 61.75, down 0.5% from yesterday's close, while NQ has slipped to 22.5150. Crude oil is holding at 71.57, indicating a lack of risk-on conviction from the commodities side. The US dollar, as tracked by DXY, is continuing its recent softening trend, down from the June 4th close of 99.25 to 98.14 today. Bonds are showing mild bid, with the 10-year yield holding at 4.45% and TLT ticking slightly higher, suggesting capital is cautious but not panicking. Now here's where it gets tactical. Volatility is on watch. VIX spiked pre-market to 2029, a notable rise from just 17.69 2 weeks ago. But VVIX is backing off from recent highs, signaling potential compression ahead. That means one thing: markets are primed for fast, sharp moves out of nowhere, but lack conviction underneath. Internals confirm that fragility. The NYSE advanced decline line sits at just 7.89, with weak tick readings on both the NYSE and NASDAQ. TRIN on the NASDAQ is flashing 0.35, a classic sign of institutional accumulation on weakness, but it's not being confirmed by active buy programs. What does all this mean for traders today? Scalpers and day traders should focus on fast execution around VWAP and liquidity pockets. Trap reversals and fakeouts will dominate the first hour. For swing and position traders, this is a defensive tape. No edge in chasing moves unless you see confirmation on volume and internals. Now, let's highlight 5 of the best names setting up for today, based on pre-market volume, volatility, and structure. First up, NVIDIA. With nearly 2 million shares traded pre-market, it's sitting just below VWAP at 144.85. If it holds above that level, there's room for a breakout toward 146.20, then 150. But if it breaks down below 144, expect a fade to 141 and potentially lower. Next, Reddit. Strong relative strength, trading above its VWAP and gap level at 126.20. If this holds, we could see a move to 129, even 135 later in the week. Failure to hold the breakout level puts the downside at 121. Tight risk, high reward setup. Third, Palantir. Volume is solid, but the setup is indecisive. The game plan here is simple. Above 142.50, we look long for a move toward 145. Below 141, it's a quick fade setup back into 138. Stay nimble. Fourth, quantum computing, ticker QBTS. This one's coiled. It's just below VWAP at 16.04. If it can reclaim 1620, the path is open toward 1740 and 18. Failure to hold opens a trap move back to the 14s. Volatility here is real. Manage size accordingly. Finally, SolarEdge. Huge gap down, over 18%. The bounce potential is real if it reclaims 24.50. But this one is highly vulnerable. Fade any weak bounce below 23 for targets toward 21 or even 19. This is a tactical tape. It's not about trend, it's about liquidity pockets and emotional reactions. Stay focused on volume, VWAP interaction, and avoid chasing early moves. Thanks for tuning in to the pre-market desk briefing from all of us at Expert Trade Ideas. If you found this valuable, make sure to follow, share this with your team, and sign up for our sessions. Our summer coaching program is now live. Prices are already lowered for the season, and they won't stay that way for long. This is your window to get top-tier professional trade coaching at a discounted rate. We'll see you in the markets.